This video will demonstrate how to use Lexis for Microsoft Office. A Windows-compatible and Mac-compatible version are available. In this video, we will use Lexis for Microsoft Office on a Mac operating system. Lexis for Microsoft Office is an add-on to Word that will enable you to access Lexis Advance directly from Word in a split-screen format. This will save you time as you draft and review your legal documents. Let's begin by opening a Word document. This is a sample writing assignment for a law school brief. I've simply copied and pasted the general information and research issue at the top of a blank document. I'll use this document to demonstrate Lexis for Microsoft Office. You can use Lexis for Microsoft Office to help create strong legal arguments, ensure you are citing valid authority, easily quote material, and ensure you have the correct citation format. Let's say you're drafting a brief dealing with the Federal Nursing Home Reform Amendment, as shown here. First, let's get some background information by clicking Get Cited Docs. This will scan through the document and allow us to link to the acts, cases, and other documents that are cited, so we can get background information and learn more about this assignment. Notice that you will retrieve all the documents in split-screen format, so you can be drafting your assignment and researching at the same time. Let's look more closely at the Federal Nursing Home Reform Amendment. The text of this statute is critical for our assignment, so let's grab that information and put it into our outline or draft. You can simply drag and drop portions of text into your document from the split screen to ensure you have the exact quote and citations that you need. As you can see, the selected quote and citation to our statute have copied over to our Word document. Let's jump ahead and say that you've finished your research and have a complete draft you're ready to submit. Before submitting that assignment, you can use your Lexis for Microsoft Office to cite check your work and check accuracy of quotes. First, I'll use Check Cite Format. By clicking Check Cite Format, Lexis for Microsoft Office will automatically check your citations to ensure that they're Blue Book correct. The split screen format will provide a list of all your sites, along with suggestions on how to correct those sites. You can edit your citations within the split screen and submit the changes to your document. Second, to verify all of the quotes in the document, I can simply click Check Quotes. Again, this brings up the split screen format, showing me my quote and any suggested changes that might be needed. Another helpful feature of Lexis for Microsoft Office is the ability to quickly validate all of your authority. Before you turn in any writing assignment, you should always run one last check to make sure that all of your authority is still good law. You can do this with a click of the Get Cited Document button. Now I have a list of all the citations in my document along with their shepherd signals. I can narrow this report to just view documents with negative or possible negative treatment. This shows me the list of cases that I may need to recheck to ensure my authority is still strong, valid precedent. This was a quick example of how you can use Lexis for Microsoft Office on a document that you're preparing. You can download Lexis for Microsoft Office for free by going to the LexisNexis for Law School's homepage, then selecting the Resources tab at the top of the page. Once the Resources page displays, scroll down and under Apps and Tools, select Lexis for Microsoft Office. Here you will be able to select the download for either Windows or for Mac. We also offer 24/7 technical support for Lexis for Microsoft Office. Call 1-800-45-LEXIS and select prompt 3 and then press 2. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Lexis for Microsoft Office.